Hi guys, this is a video on Firefox, and with the download day of Firefox 3 being just around the corner on June the 17th, I thought I'd give everyone a tip to enhance their web experience. Okay, so there's an extension you can get called Adblock Plus, and as you can guess from the name, it blocks ads. You can block Flash, scripts and iframes, and how it works is it bases itself off a bunch of filter rules. So if any of these codes, as you can see me scrolling down, if any of these codes are found in a page, it will block the request for the ad, because these are all ad servers. So I didn't actually type all these in myself. You can actually get a subscription. So you can say filters, add filter subscription, and I'll actually subscribe to EasyList USA. Great thing about that is that, as you can see, it's a text file that's available on the internet. Once that gets updated, that text file gets updated, the ad block gets updated, and you can block the latest ad servers, and it will do it all for you. You can actually make your own filters, which is good. You just go to filter and then add filter and make your own. But as you can see, I'm subscribed to EasyList. It's a lot easier to do. You don't have to do anything yourself. It all gets done for you. Another thing Adblock Plus can do is something called element hiding. Firstly, what is an element? If I just make an element here, say this is some text. This is HTML coding for a web page. The whole thing is an element. It comprises of HTML tags. That's the paragraph tag, and it says this is some text, and then it closes the tag. So this whole thing is an element. So as you can guess, with element hiding, it can hide this from being displayed. So that's ideal. Its primary use is for hiding text ads, but what it can also be useful for is hiding content on a page. For example, I use Google a lot, I visit this page a lot, but I don't actually use these links down the bottom, so I want to get rid of them. Now I can actually use Adblock Plus to do this. Now normally you'd have to make a filter, you'd have to type it out manually, you'd have to look through the source code, have a look and see what you can find, and then make the rule, and then it will block it. But there's now a companion for Adblock Plus. Previously you could use something called Firebug, which is still available. You can download it. It helped, it basically show you visually where you were on the page in terms of the source. Very useful, but you still had to type out the Adblock Plus code yourself. There's now a companion to Adblock Plus, and it's called Adblock Plus Element Hiding Helper. As you can guess, helps you create element hiding rules for Adblock Plus to fight the text ads. But what we're not actually going to do that. We're not going to try and fight text ads. We're just going to remove elements on a page to make it look cleaner. Now you're probably thinking, but Stylish does that. Yeah, it does do that, but that uses CSS, and you have to usually either make your own CSS or you can download them. But if you want to do individual things on a page, it's best to do it with Adblock Plus. So with this Adblock Plus helper, element hiding helper, I'm on Google, I click the down arrow and then basically say select element to hide, or you press Ctrl Shift and K. So I'm going to click that, and it says element selection hotkeys. As you notice, as I'm going around the page, it's got little red outlines on loads of things. Now anything that has a red outline you can actually block, which is great, because then you can block several things that you have on the page. So well, firstly what I'll do then is I'll get rid of this copyright thing from Google. I'll just click that, and it says compose element hiding rule. It's already got the rule typed out for us. It says, do you want to do it to www.google.co.uk, google.co.uk, everything with co.uk, everything with UK, or any domain at all? So for me, I just want it to do with google.co.uk. It says require attributes. I've not actually ever needed to untick these or tick these, so this may be if you have more than one or something and they have the same sort of rule or something like that. But I've never needed to do it, so I'm just leaving these as they are, and I'm just going to click add filter rule. Just click that, and as you can see, the copyright Google has gone. So I'm going to go Ctrl Shift and K, and I'm going to get rid of these bottom four links. Just going to click add filter rule, Ctrl Shift K, click add filter rule, Ctrl Shift K, click add filter rule, then Ctrl Shift K, add filter rule. And as you can see now, my Google looks a lot cleaner. It's still got these little free things at the bottom, but as far as I know, I don't think you can remove them. Oh no, you can. Click add filter rule. Excellent. So you can get rid of those as well. So now you can see my Google is looking a hell of a lot cleaner because I've got rid of things at the bottom that I don't click. It's great. It means you can customize the page how you like. Another thing, youtube.com. I'll just go on the main page. And this little active sharing thing, I never use it. So I'm just going to go Control Shift and K. Just find it, just move your mouse around, find it, click it, and then just add the filter rule. And it's gone. Now if I was to go back to Google, it hasn't brought the things back because they've been blocked. So that's great. Go back to YouTube and refresh it, and it still hasn't got this active sharing. So basically you can remove anything you like on a page and it will block it for you using Adblock Plus. So Adblock Plus isn't just for blocking ads, you can block normal things as well. If you've blocked something, like for example active sharing, oh crap, I've blocked it, I want to get it back. You just have to go to the drop down arrow, go to preferences, have a look at your element hiding rules. As you can see with youtube.com, this is the one I hid. Basically press delete, click OK, refresh. Oh, I didn't even need to, it's back. So that's just a tip. If you want to make your web pages more streamlined, or if you want to remove things that annoy you on web pages, and you don't have to worry about going to stylish, getting the stylish Firefox add-on and doing it all yourself in CSS, you basically need Adblock Plus and the element hiding helper, and you can hide things. So thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.